Hi everyone, this is Robin from Robin's Resins Plus. Besides selling resins, I also make all different types of products, and this one I actually make for myself, and you can make it very easily. All I did was cut up oranges, pulled out from the orange the pulp, allowed it to dry about halfway in the jar, and as soon as it was dry, I put vodka into the jar, the highest proof you could get. Then I allowed it to sit for about 2.5 weeks till I really smelled it. And now you can see it changed the color, and I'm going to pour it into this jar. You can strain it if you want, but for me it's just easier to show you this way. There we go. Okay, now it's all strained out, and as you could see, that's what was in the jar. It was all oranges. They actually were darker in color, but because they were sitting in the vodka, they changed to a lighter color, and now you have this beautiful color. Smells like oranges, and you can take it and put it in a spray bottle like this, and I use it in my bathroom for when, things smell yucky. After you go to the bathroom, it's great to use in a bathroom. You can leave it in here because it is vodka and it'll stay a while. And you can leave it in here and just close up the top. Make sure you mark it. Could last a good 30 to 60 days. But it smells just like oranges. So you have a very easy room spray to work on. And all you need is oranges. Again, you need to make sure that when you do the orange, that you make sure all the pulp and the juice is out, so that the inside looks like this. And then you just put it in here. Of course, this is soggy already because it's what I did. You fill it halfway up, then fill the rest of it. You have to cover it. You have to make sure that the vodka covers all the oranges. And you let it sit closed for about 2 weeks until it changes to this color. And of course, it smells like oranges. Enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.